I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and merge duplicate photos on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So the first step to removing these duplicates is scrolling down to the Utilities section. In this Utilities section, you can see a Duplicates section. So let's tap on the duplicates. As you can see, I have two duplicates right here. And in order to remove these duplicates, we're going to click on the Merge item right here. Now, these are exact copies. They may differentiate in metadata, blah, blah, blah. We're going to merge these two exact copies. Now we'll go back. After you're merging, you will have these items in your recently deleted folder. So let's open that. And I see the one of the two items was deleted. It doesn't really merge them. It just deletes one of them. So I'm going to remove this entirely from my device by clicking select and then tapping down here and clicking delete all. And now we can delete all of my photos from recently deleted. And there you go. No more duplicate photos.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.